Hello guys, let's talk today about this tankless water heater. This is a quick unbox. As you can see, I removed from the box already, and this is the unit that you put onto your wall, okay? And here you can control the temperature. So it's pretty basic. As you can see here, you have an inlet for cold water and outlet for hot water. And you can use this hose to pass the cables for the connection, electrical cables, okay? So I already removed the screw from this unit. So you can see here, there's a screw here in the side. When you remove it, you can open like this. So that's the unit. Basically here you have two heaters. So the water is gonna come here, cold water, going to pass through one of the heaters, it's gonna get hot, and you have hot water on the other side. Okay, so basically two heaters, and then you have two connections for wires, right? So you're gonna connect here in the first one, just the ground, and then two wires from the first break and two wires from the second breaks, right? Break. So we have total of two breaks for this unit. Okay. The installation is also pretty easy. As you can see, it comes with the installation menu in English and also in Spanish. So you have all the operational instructions here, and back here the installation, the way it's going to install, okay, the typical installation, residential or commercial. And here the measurement, so you can measure here before you put onto your wall. And also the details, how you can open the unit, as I did here, and how you can put onto your wall, the connection details for water and also for the breakers. As you can see here, I have two breakers for this unit. If you have a different unit, you have just one breaker, depends on the unit that you have. Tempra 12, for example, is for uses just one breaker. Is this Tempra 24 or 24 Plus that I'm using here uses two breakers, okay? So pretty basic, pretty to install, pretty easy. Okay, and I noticed that the unit already comes tested because I can see that there's some water here. Okay, I was like checking the unit and I could see that is some water coming from here. Okay, as you can see, okay, a little bit of water. So the unit is tested in the factory. Okay, so pretty good. I'm gonna install this and make it work.